What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I gotta tell you guys, I'm pretty much done with Mercedes Benz right now because, as you know, I had this 2012 Mercedes Benz C300. I've done so many things to the car since I bought it. You know, secondary ear pump was gone, I've fixed it's still making the noise. I've changed the tensioner, I've changed all the pulleys, I've changed the belt, and I'm still hearing a squeaky noise, and I don't know what to do anymore. So pretty much, I'm thinking this is gonna be it for me for Mercedes Benz. My first Mercedes Benz, I love the car, it's a beautiful car, but right now, I just feel like I've had it. You know, I don't know what's coming next, and I'm not really sure if I want to, you know, deal with anything else when it comes to this car. I just want to enjoy the car, and it's like almost every other week there's something going on with the car. My engine light came on, you know, and I had it checked out, realized that some fuse was popped. I ended up getting the correct fuse, replaced it. A few weeks later, the engine light came back on, and I thought it was the fuse again, but a few days later, it went away, right? So now, I don't know what's gonna happen next, and it's kind of like I'm at the stage now where I don't want to find out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna go back to my Honda Accord. If you guys see my channel, you know I've got that 2008 8-gen Honda Accord V6 3.5 6-speed manual transmission, which I love. Car's got I think 278 horsepower and full of torque, quick, amazing car to drive. So I'm gonna go back to buy one of those, and I'm talking like right now, you know, and I'm just gonna put this car for sale. So I'm gonna turn it on right now. I haven't started it up yet. I'm gonna turn it on right now and see if I hear any kind of squeaking, so you guys can actually listen to what I'm talking about. Like I said, I changed all the tensioner, I changed the pulley, I changed the belt, still hear the same noise. I have no idea what else to do. So you guys hear that? Here's the noise. Like, I had no idea where the noise is coming from. I've changed the tension, I've changed all the pulleys, changed the belt, and I'm still having the same noise. So right now, I'm thinking about calling it quit for Mercedes Benz right now, because I don't know what's coming next. And it's not that I don't know what's coming next, it's just the fact that I'm just really frustrated right now, because I fixed all the things that they said I need to fix, and I'm still having the same problem. Not sure what you can see down in there, but so guys, I changed the tensioner. I've changed this one is changed, that one's changed, I've changed that, changed the belt, and I'm still hearing the same noise. The pulley's been changed over there, and I'm still hearing the same exact noise. So right now, I'm not even sure what else I need to do to get rid of that noise. So there you have it. So right now, I am just really frustrated with this car, you know, and I pretty much don't want to be bothered anymore. So I'm not even gonna ask you guys if you know what the problem is, to kind of help me out so that I can fix it. And the reason why is I'm pretty much done. I'm just done right now. I am done. I am done. I love the car. really saddens me right now, you know, to be saying that I got this Mercedes Benz. I love everything about the car, and to be sitting here saying I'm done with the car right now, I don't know. But you know, there's only so much you can do. You know what I mean? I love the car, man. I love everything about the car. The car is a beautiful car. I did the AMG. I'll show you guys right now. I got the AMG 63 diffuser and the dual tip exhaust on there, and it looks really, really nice. Also did the trunk lip as well, you know, which looks really nice. But yeah, the car is beautiful, guys. The car is made all around. Not even a scratch on the car. There's not even a scratch on the car, you know, like not even a scratch, you know. Floor mat is a little dirty right now because it's still winter time here, you know, in Canada. But overall, car is mint. But as you can hear, noise is still there. Now I'm not sure what else to do right now. I just had it, so if you guys want to help me out, you know, feel free to post your comment to whatever it is you want to say. But as for me right now with Mercedes Benz C300 right now, I'm just done, you know. So to all the Mercedes Benz fans out there, I appreciate the ride, you know what I mean, but I think I'm calling it quit right now. Now, mind you, I'm not knocking Mercedes Benz. I am no way, shape, or form knocking Mercedes Benz. I think they're beautiful cars, they're awesome cars, but for me right now, my experience with this C300, it's a 2012, my experience with it, you know, is just that right now it's not a good one. And I'm just gonna go back to what I know best, which is my Honda Accord. You know, I'm gonna probably get a 2010 Honda Accord Coupe, the 8 Gen, 6-speed V6, you know, and that car's a lot of fun. And it's a Honda, so you know what? Cheap in maintenance, you know, and it's a fun car to drive. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Like I said, if you got any comments, anything like that, any suggestions you want me to know, hit me up, let me know what's up. But I think right now, as of now, I am pretty much done with Mercedes Benz. So until the next video, guys, peace.